Lena from Sienna Plantation has a question about maybe getting ripped off on a roof.
This is a sad story, Tom. Leanne writes that in the craziness after Harvey, we all made a lot of bad decisions, and she made one. She says, we signed with a roofer who refuses to give us a start date or estimate. They just want the insurance check. Their contract states that we have to use them if the insurance agrees to pay. However, they're refusing to give us an estimate or a start date. And the worst part is, I don't know if some of the leaks that have caused mold or mildew in my house. So, Tom, Leanna feels held hostage by this. What advice can you give her?
First off, for everybody who was watching this right now, don't ever sign off anything to anybody. Please just don't do that, because you're going to end up in this situation.
And by signing off, you mean assigning your insurance to someone.
Absolutely. You don't do that. It's just, you just don't do it. As far as that goes, I don't know if you have insurance money, but if you have leaks and they aren't taking care of it, you hire someone to take care of the leaks. Insurance should at least pay that to those people as far as that goes. But as far as legal advice, I'm not a lawyer, and you might want to call one, but I think you're kind of stuck on this one.
Yeah.
You know, I really, really do. And you might even want to contact the insurance company, because maybe they can, you know, they can fight for you a little bit too, because insurance companies, as much as they want to hold their money, and we go through that all the time, you can't blame them.
Well, that's how they got those big fancy buildings.
They don't like guys like this, I'll tell you that right now, because they're making it, that's why they like to hold their money, because they don't like guys like this, and that's a bad thing.
So your advice would be maybe seek counsel on this one?
I would call and just ask a question to an attorney. Maybe show them what you signed. It could take a guy 15 minutes to say, hey, yay, we can do something or not. Don't sign off anything. Pay him a couple bucks if you have to.
Call the insurance company?
Call the insurance company and say, hey, I'm not comfortable with this. I made a mistake. What do you guys think? Because I'm sure they get that question all the time.
And most importantly, not so much for you, Leanne, I'm sorry, but for anybody watching this.
Don't sign anything.
Anything. Enough said.
No, yeah, don't sign anything.
You need some help? We'll do what we can to help you. Send your questions to us at homeshowradio.com.
Or you can watch more answers here. Be sure and subscribe.